Chunk 1 is up. Foundation slab and all 4 core walls, all watertight. No validation issues. Saving this checkpoint before moving to the next chunk. Chunk 2. Cutting a front door into the south wall and paired windows into the other 3 walls. All 7 cuts landed clean, still fully watertight. Let me take a quick look to confirm the core shell reads right before starting the next chunk. Core shell reads correctly. Clean box with door and paired windows on each wall. Saving, then chunk 3. Attaching the first wing module, east wing, to demonstrate the modular expansion pattern. East wing shell is attached, and the archway into the core is cut clean. 9 bodies, all watertight, 0 issues. Saving the checkpoint. Chunk 4. Mirroring the same module on the west side. This is the modular, repeatable part of the brief. West wing mirrored cleanly. 13 bodies, all watertight. Let's check the shell reads right, with symmetric wings before roofing. Symmetric mansion footprint reads correctly. Core with 2 matching wings. 24 m total span. Structures sound. Moving to chunk 5. A flat roof cap over all 3 sections plus a front porch canopy to close out this pass. 5 chunks in, and the modular mansion is standing. Foundation plus core shell, chunk 1. Door window cuts, chunk 2. East wing module, chunk 3. Mirrored west wing module, chunk 4. And a roof cap plus porch canopy, chunk 5. 17 bodies total, everything watertight, 0 validation issues throughout. Saved after every chunk. The one hiccup, my first batch call past size. WDH arrays for boxes, but everybody cut actually want named width, depth, height in params. My misread of the doc, not a tool bug, fixed on the next call and no further friction after. On real capability gaps. Non-surfaced beyond what the playbook's own roadmap already tracks. There's no wall/roof/window domain primitive yet. So every opening and wing boundary was hand-computed in via generic box cuts. It scales fine at this size, chunk by chunk. Batch per chunk kept it manageable, but would get arithmetic heavy on a much bigger or more irregular build. I'll pick up the mansion build and push it further. Bigger footprint, a second floor, and a proper pitched roof. Let me first check the module playbook and current state before adding new chunks. This is a big addition. I'm adding a full second floor, a proper pitched roof with gable ends, interior room partitions, and a chimney, starting with the second floor shell. Floor slab plus core and wing walls above the existing first floor. Second floor shell is up, all 13 bodies watertight. Exact IDs B18, B30. Now cutting window openings into the second floor walls. Second floor windows cut clean, all watertight, saving this checkpoint before tackling the roof. Second floor saved, now swapping the flat roof cap for a proper pitched gable roof over the whole structure. Roof panels are up, watertight, meeting cleanly at the ridge. Now adding the triangular gable end infill panels, so the wing ends are fully enclosed under the pitched roof. Both gable triangles landed exactly on target. Bounds match the wall footprints and ridge height perfectly, saving, then adding interior room partitions on the ground floor and a chimney for the finishing touch. The door cuts reference names instead of IDs, fixing that now with the correct B35, B36 IDs. Doorways cut cleanly, all 36 bodies still solid, running a full validation pass before saving the final checkpoint. All clean, 0 errors, 0 warnings, just expected topology notes on the 2 window walls, saving and taking a look at the result. The mansion is now a genuine 2-story structure. The 2nd floor, gabled roof with filled gable ends, and chimney all read correctly in the render. Final numbers, 36 bodies all solid and watertight, envelope grown from 24, 0 times 11, 6 times 4, 1M to 24, 6 times 11, 9 times 11, 4M mass up to 384,000 kg PLA units, obviously architectural scale here. What got added this pass? 2nd floor, floor slab plus core wing walls, 10 bodies, with 10 window cuts, sitting directly atop the 1st floor pitched gable